Hey everybody, I'm Chris Ferris. I'm COO of Bluebird. We're a partner with Swiftlane, primarily install across the country in all the U.S. states. So, it starts in the pre-planning, right? Through the sales cycle. We've got a large PM team. Swiftlane has a large PM team, so we collaborate on what we can do to help the customer, how to best get the deal across the table, just throughout the whole process. It's actually really simple. We do a lot of different products across the U.S. Swiftlane is simple, it's clean. It's becoming more and more of a household name in multifamily, so we absolutely love it. Easy is great. We're going to have enough challenges in the field as it is, so whatever we can do on the front end to make it easy, with the products, with the people, that's the secret. The feedback's great. They love the products. They love the fact that we can get in and get out. We have to remember that when we go to someone's place of business, we're in their home. So the less we're there, the better. They just want the product to function. In my world, no news is good news. So when I'm not getting calls that there's a challenge or a problem, I love that. And with Swiftlane, we really don't have those issues. I would say effective, clean, and maybe a hyphenated word, customer friendly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.